Hi, this is Jen from Floppy Ear Pottery, and once again, audio issues. So here comes another voiceover. Project 16 is going to be a jewelry holder. This is something I've really enjoyed making over the past few years. It's a small piece, but it's actually pretty challenging because there are a few things that I'm going to be doing. The first thing, it's going to be similar to the juicer in that there's going to be an item in the middle that gets thrown um, from the same ball of clay. But unlike the juicer where it would be a dome, this is going to be a cone shape, pretty narrow and somewhat tall, which would be used to hold earrings, and, excuse me, not earrings, rings. I will also try and create tall walls, but then I take the lip of the wall and I try and flatten it almost to a horizontal angle. And what I do there is if there's enough space, I actually will drill holes all along the edge so that you can hang things like post earrings. Maybe not a dangling earring because this jewelry holder will probably not be very tall, but you could at least put a few earrings that aren't too long all along the edge. And then in the middle, because there's kind of a bowl kind of on the bottom, you can use it to hold bracelets or maybe even hair ties, just something that you want to contain. A lot of my clients use this on a sink or on an entryway or on a dresser. It's just a nice little ceramic piece to catch your jewelry. Here you see me throwing the clay, and I'm going to divide the ball into two. I'm going to work on the middle section. I'm going down to the wheel head and drawing up this column of clay. Now my intent was to make it nice and straight, but I ended up taking a piece off, and now this thing is going to be flopping back and forth as I throw this. Every time I watch this video, I hadn't realized this was happening. I'm cracking up watching it. But you see me drop the walls, and you see me here flatten the top of it so I get that horizontal angle that I was talking about. So once I took off my blindfold, I really got to see how bad the middle piece was. Again, you want a narrow cone for rings. Someone's going to have really thick fingers to be able to pile a lot of jewelry into here. I think really only the top half is going to be what I intended it to be. Now, I was impressed by the lip and how horizontal it was. Looking at it, I can already see that I will be easily able to drill the holes that I was hoping for. So that came out pretty cool. I'm actually really excited by it. And then the other piece that I really like is look at how straight those walls are. I was actually really happy. I mean, I threw this blind, so the fact that I got straight walls and a nice flat lip, I'm pretty impressed. Let's not talk about the middle. It is what it is. But considering everything else, I think it'll still work. It's just not going to be as straight as I wanted that middle piece to be. So let's see what happens once it gets trimmed. Thank you for watching. Bye.